I'm Diane Wanger. The purpose of this video is to educate you a little about estate planning and the information that I will need from you before I prepare any documents. It is also a chance for you to think about any questions that you have about the process. The will package that I usually prepare includes 5 documents, which I will briefly describe. The will sets forth to whom you want your estate assets to go when you die. Commonly, that is a spouse, if one exists, or children. You will need to pick the person who will be the executor of the estate. Also, think of who you would like as an alternate executor if your first choice is ineligible or unavailable. The executor of the estate is primarily charged with the gathering of assets of the estate and distributing them to the named beneficiaries. In the power of attorney for health care, you will state who you want to make medical decisions for you if you are mentally incompetent to do so. For example, if you have dementia or you are in a coma. The medical power of attorney does not allow you to delegate the decision to withhold life support. That is a different document. Please think of who you would like to make medical decisions for you if you are unable to do so, and also an alternate person if your first choice is unavailable. The financial power of attorney states who you want to make financial decisions for you if you are mentally incompetent to do so. The form allows for a number of options that we will discuss more in depth when we speak. Please think of who you would like for this power of attorney and also an alternate person if your first choice is unavailable. Powers of attorney are only valid for living people. They will be void upon your death. The directive to physician is your statement about what extraordinary life support that you want if you are suffering in 2 conditions that I will explain more about when we speak. The HIPAA release is the same as your doctor has you sign when you come into the office. Although a person might be able to make medical decisions about you under a medical power of attorney, they will not have the right to see your health records without this HIPAA release due to federal law. I have a video on an optional transfer on death deed that can help avoid probate, the link for which is in the description below. Additional documents available are designation of guardians for the estate and person of adults. Children are handled in the will package. This can be especially important for single people who may not want family to be in charge of their person and estate. It also can be used to negate the right of a family member to ever be your guardian. I will need all contact information for any person mentioned in any of these documents. That includes the legal name, complete mailing address, email address, and phone number, so please begin to gather these. I look forward to working with you.